Hi everyone, if you are using Ableton Live and don't have a sustain pedal, or maybe you hate to use a sustain pedal for some reason, and you are looking for an auto sustain software, this Max for Live device may be suitable for you and your control. This device called Auto Sustain by GC with 3 question mark. I don't know how to spell his or her name correctly, so let's call this device Auto Sustain by GC. This Auto Sustain not exact work like a sustain pedal. This device only holds the notes as long you press at least one note or key on your controller, like this. That's how you use this device. Very simple. The limit number indicates how many notes are held at the same times. The minimum number is 4 and the maximum number is 24. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Cheers.